Hello everyone, welcome back to Kids Zone, our channel there, parents and caregivers. Today, we are diving into the world of toddler nutrition with a review of Else Nutrition Organic Toddler Formula. If you're looking for a plant-based, dairy-free, and nutritionally rich option for your little one, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Here it is, folks, Else Nutrition Organic Toddler Formula, specially crafted for toddlers aged 12 to 36 months. This formula is packed with essential nutrients and made from clean, plant-based ingredients, making it a fantastic option for parents looking to provide their little ones with the best start in life. Let's talk about the incredible benefits of Else Nutrition Organic Toddler Formula. First off, it's dairy-free and soy-free, making it suitable for children with allergies or sensitivities. Plus, it's free from corn syrup, gluten, and GMOs, giving you peace of mind knowing that your child is getting only the best ingredients. Preparing Else Nutrition Organic Toddler Formula is quick and easy. Simply follow the instructions on the can to mix the appropriate amount of powder with water. Then, shake well until the powder is fully dissolved, and you're ready to serve it to your little one. As a parent myself, I've been blown away by the quality and nutritional value of Else Nutrition Organic Toddler Formula. My toddler absolutely loves the taste, and I love knowing that I'm giving him a product that's free from artificial additives and full of wholesome goodness. In conclusion, if you're searching for a plant-based, dairy-free toddler formula that delivers on taste and nutrition, look no further than Else Nutrition Organic Toddler Formula. Trust me, your little one will thank you for it. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and product reviews. Until next time, happy feeding.